Welcome. Welcome to watching Tyson video. Today we'll show you the Tyson equipment for the TS-J39, the TS-J automatic cutting machine. And this type we customized for the cutting the aluminum the molding cutting. This it has the feature for the cutting machine. It's 41. We have one button here. We have one button here to make the cold systems to cut in the aluminum. With one button here, then when you connect in the air pressure and for the cable, electric cable, then when you walk in, after already when you open this, it will below the water inside of that. Then the salt black will be low temperature to better cut the aluminum. See here, both sides, it has the cold section. And also see here, we have one bottle. We have a bottle here to make the water or some cold liquid inside to make this very cold temperature. Okay, we put it in that. And for here, the cutting, we make a very long car. This is 1.8 meter long. This the car. So from that side to this side, you can load in the 4 meter longer the molding inside for cutting and molding shape. It's better for you for worker to load in the molding inside to check it. And also for this machine, we all need to customize the cutting mold for every machine. Every machine we all need to cut in the cutting mold for it to ensure the 100% the cutting correction. Now we load in the molding inside. Remember, one molding, one cutting mold. So if you need this machine, you need to send this at least 1 meter molding, 10 pieces or 12 pieces to us. Then we can customize this cutting mold for you. Now we load this molding inside of that. Okay, now we start. Now we back to the computers. When you connecting this air and the electric power, then you start to add the system. For this, first of all, we need to write the length of your molding. This molding is 1 meter, so we write 1000 millimeter on here. And for this machine, this is the computer. This machine features is that it can cut 4 different sizes in one molding. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 different sizes in one molding. And for this one, first size, we write 180 millimeter. We cut 2 pieces. You cut 2 pieces or 3 pieces for that. And second, you can cut for example 160 millimeter to cut that. And this only can cut 1 pieces. In here you will find this. The molding will left the 267 millimeter in the bottom side. Remember, for this machine, you must leave at least 22 centimeter in the back side, or the back side the moldings cannot push it, cannot catch it. Okay, for this. And another important thing is for this, the equipment, this one. This will help you to choose the cutting side. For example, I only write 1, it means only cut the number 1 side. I write 2, so it means it can cut 1, 2 sides, 2 different sides. If I write 3 or 4, it cut number, the size, the one you want for that. Now I only write the number 2 size to cut in the number 1, number 2, 2 different size. And here for this, we have a style here, single cutting or a double cutting. Single cutting is when you cut in the aluminum is metal, so we only can use the single cutting. Is the table moving here and moving back, only cutting one time. So if you make the cycle cutting, so it means when you're moving back, so the clamp will push the molding plant and to cutting one time. And when the molding, when the table move here, then the table will push the molding again, finish one cutting. So cutting twice. So this is the cycle cutting twice. And now this is aluminum, we cutting only one time. Okay, now we start to make it. First, after you loading the molding, we need to use the L. This is the L wood. L wood to pour this. All these moldings should touch. All moldings should touch this wood. Then it's in all the balance, all in the same level. Then it can cut it very well. After that, we take off this wood. This is the L wood. And then all the moldings will in one same level. So after cutting that, all the length is the same. Okay, now we start to cutting. Now for this, every moldings, after you finish loading 4 of the cutting mold, we need to use the L wood to put it inside. And then to pour all the moldings, go front to touch this. So after you make all the moldings touch here, then you take off this L wood. So in that way, all the moldings will in one level, in the same position, easy for cut. Okay, now we start to cutting that and also to open this code system for cutting the aluminum. Now we start to cut. Okay, start to cutting. Press the green button one time. See, saw blade loading. Press it again. Cut it. And this is the aluminum, so cutting making them less easy. See, all the molding will go flat. And attention, when you're cutting, you need to pay attention. This is a computer. Pay attention on this computer. Want to be hit, must be middle. You need to attention on here. Want to be hit by this. Cutting, you can just make it one more and one worker to take off it. This is the third cutting, and then this is the last cutting. Okay, now I'll finish that. So this last one is 1.5 centimeter. Come here. This is for the waist corner. This is for the waist corner. Very less. Almost 0 millimeter to less this. So cutting. very less weight to cutting this. Okay, let's go here. This is the last one. And for the last cutting, you must need to use your hand to pour it. Use your hand to pour it. This is for you to stop or molding to cut the last pieces, last 22 centimeters. And the size, this will be the size here. You can rotate the size in both sides and you control the size you want. This is this is the last one, and take off it. Come here. Make the yellow button, yellow one, to cut the last pieces. Okay, the last piece is already finished cutting. Now we close machine. And close here. Now you will see, this is the last pieces. And only to waste these small pieces. And even can, you can save more. You can make it more longer. This is the last pieces. And for the right now, we cutting the 1/8 centimeter. We make it, this is a longer one. 10, 18 centimeter. This one. The small one, 1/5. Let's check. Oh, right now we write the 16 centimeter. All the size is correct. So come here. If the size is not correct, so we can write the gap here. If 1 millimeter less, for example, this is the 160. Now you go to the 160. If long, if less, for example, 155. So 5 millimeter less, you need to write here. You need to write it here to make, for example, if 1 millimeter less, so you need to make 7.5. You can write less. But for now, is 6.5. Let's write it back. So if size difference, you just write here. If less is shorter, how much is shorter? You just to add it here. If more longer, so how much is longer? You just reduce the size in this gap here. This is the cutting. Okay, after cutting, let's to make it in one frame to check the corner. How is the cutting? 我们拿橡皮筋来拉一下。现在开始拍桌面就好了。
你这个是暂停的吗？
没有，对。哎，短了。Okay, now we start to make it near plane. Okay, as you see, all the corners is very well. And for the back side, and also even here, the corner. Every corner is looking very well. This is the Tyson frame, the TS-J. This is the Tyson frame treatment, TS-J39 J cutting machine for aluminum. Cutting. This one it has the longer molding car, can cut the 4 meter molding, and also has the cold system. It can make the saw plant very cold temperature, very durable. And also for each cutting mode can make the cutting 100% collection, and easy to make the 30 corner for the plate. Okay, this is that. Thank you. Welcome to Korea.